Hello, my name is Terrance Hewitt. I am a junior accounting major at Morehouse College, and I am in Professor Sistrunks MIS course. And today I'm going to show you how to geocode information into Google Fusion tables using Microsoft Excel. So here I have 200 different street addresses. We have street number, street type, city, zip code, and all of the data. Now the problem with this is that we need, in order to upload it to Google, we need all of these different address pieces to be into one. So today we're going to use the concatenate function to do so. So first thing we must do is create a column called full address, which will represent us creating a full address for each of these things. Might have spelled it wrong, I hope not. Alright. Next we're going to use the fx key, the function key, and type in conc, and as you see, concatenate comes up. Basically what concatenate does is takes each of these and put them into one column together. So I'll double click that, and one by one we're going to click on a cell in order to add it into our concatenated new cell. If it's empty, don't worry about it. It all come together at the end. So we went from street number to zip code and add them all in. Press enter, and as you see, all the little information from here are now in one section. But the problem is that everything is jumbled up into one with no spaces. And if we were to put this in Google, they wouldn't know what we're talking about. So now what we need to do is double click it and add in spaces in between each of our cells, each of our concatenated cells, to put a space. So all you do, the quotation key, hit a space, another quotation, and then hit a comma. Now depending on your computer, it might have a comma, a semicolon, or whatever. So just look at what your computer has. And you want to do that behind each comma that's already there. So quotation mark, space, quotation mark, comma. And we do it for each of them. And once we finish with that, press enter, and now the whole address is separated, like it should be. Alright? So now we have this one cell straight, we can go ahead and do it for everything else. So you look at the little bottom right corner of the cell, and notice that we have a blue dot at the bottom. Press the blue dot, drag it all the way down to your 200, my 200 address. Let it go, and now it automatically did the addresses for all of them. Thus, we have concatenated all of our addresses correctly. Alright, so what we want to do is take this information and save it. You can put it somewhere we're going to remember, so I'm just going to write Fusion Tables 1. As soon as it loads up, my computer's a little slow. Any moment now. Alright, so I'm going to type in Fusion Tables 1 and hit save. So now that we finished Excel, I'm going to go to our internet and go to Google Drive. How exciting, Google Drive. Wherever it is located on my computer. So I don't work, bro. So drive.google.com. Alright, so what do we do? Let's hit new, hit more, and you go to Google Fusion Tables. Alright. After that, you're going to go to choose file and upload the file we just saved, which was Fusion Tables 1. Fusion Tables 1, there it goes right there. 11 o'clock. Alright, it's loaded up, so we hit next. Now I have a preview of our information, which is correct. So hit next again, and then you finish it. So now this is all the information we just made. So as you see where it says city is highlighted because Google automatically recognizes this as a location. But our full address column is what we want to be highlighted. So what we do is we put our mouse cursor over full address, and in the right side you see an arrow. Click the arrow, hit change. So it'll bring up this menu. So we go down to type and change it from text to location, and then hit save. And now it's all highlighted as well. That's what we wanted. Okay, now go to the fun part. Hit map a city, and we're gonna hit cancel. Huh? We're gonna hit cancel, and because it wants to bring up the location of the city, which is all the same, but that's not what we want. So we go to location, hit a full address, and then wait for the geocode. And we'll be right back when it finishes. Alright, so all of our information is loaded up to Google Drive. And as you see, we got all these little red dots, which really don't mean a lot right now. So what we want to do is separate the red dots by sales price to see the differential in sales. So what we do is we'll go to marker icon and go to buckets. And I want to divide mine into, I divide it in 5 ways. And I want to use my sales price to see the variation in sales price. And as you see, our range is 100,000, 330,000. I just use that range because it seems like it'd be a pretty equal change up. So that'll be separated through these separate colors, but I don't like that other red, so I put blue. So I like blue, small blue. Next at the bottom, we're gonna go to automatic legend and put show marker for the sales price. Put it at the top right, bottom right. I'm left-handed, so I put mine at the bottom left. And then we hit save. Now as we see, we have different little dots which represent the different color codes in the legend. Hit done. I want to make it big just so you can see it. And here we go. There's everything that we need in geocode. So we drag it around, you see different prices. And legends over there, but there goes the legend. And that is everything we needed to do today. Thanks for watching the video.